Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is going to be different, but I have covered topic about something which is very important and you should really know while planning your travel to Canada via third country route. As you guys are aware, because of ongoing COVID situation, not all countries are allowing Indians to travel. In that case, not all countries are allowing Indian travelers to even transit through their countries. So when you are booking your tickets to Canada via third country, it is very important for you to know which countries will allow you to transit. So today in our first point, we will see some airports which allow Indians to transit, and in second point, I will tell you which bookings to avoid if they have a transit through certain countries. So guys, welcome to the channel. If you find these videos useful, please do show some love to this new channel. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on any important update. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. First is UAE. Starting from 5th August, UAE has allowed Indians to transit. So if you are planning to fly Canada from Maldives or Mexico and have a layover at Dubai or Abu Dhabi, you will be allowed to transit and won't require a transit visa as well. Second is Doha, Qatar. After imposing mandatory quarantine of 10 days on travelers traveling through Doha, it did create a panic amongst travelers because it was a safe route compared to others. This also created confusion amongst travelers whether they will be allowed to transit through Doha. It has been confirmed that quarantine rule won't apply for travelers who have a layover at Doha. So yes, you can transit through Doha and there is no requirement of transit visa as well. Third is Paris. Travelers who are traveling to Canada and have a layover at Paris, you will be allowed to transit. However, your transit should be not more than 24 hours. I have also confirmed the same from the airport. You can see on your screen. Also, travelers must possess and be able to show all necessary travel documents required to enter the final destination. Airline may also require negative PCR test to board the plane. To explain this, if you are traveling to Mexico from India and you have a layover at Paris, you can provide your PCR test done in India. And if you are traveling from any third country to Canada, then you have to show your PCR test done in third country. Fourth is Heathrow Airport, UK. UK's Heathrow Airport is now allowing Indians to transit. I have also confirmed the same with them. You can see the same on your screen. Now about the visa, I will provide a link in the description. There you have to fill up some information. Then you will get to know if you require a transit visa or not. Fifth is Amsterdam. Indians are allowed to transit via Amsterdam without any transit visa. Sixth is Zurich Airport, Switzerland. Again, Indian travelers are allowed to transit via this route without any transit visa. Moving on to our second point, it is very important to know, don't book any flight tickets to Canada via third country if you have a layover in US or Oman. As of now, Indians are not allowed to transit through these countries. You may be denied of boarding your onward flight to Canada. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.